Hey, glad you can make it, cause today we are playing more Age of Engineering, and I just did a thing where you saw the thing before you were supposed to see the thing, but that's perfectly okay. Dragon Racer and Phoenix are on the server with me.
Aye.
And there's been a few hijinks since last episode. I was recently given a slash command of slowness, so that way my pacing would be in slow motion. Okay, that's enough of that. Turning around, made the screen. We've got a screen controller over here. I hit scan because I, just connected it directly to the Vibrant capacitor bank because Phoenix just loves it when I connect things directly to the capacitor banks. And I hit scan, and it worked with this screen. Now, for each line, you have to have a text module. So I've got a whole bunch of text modules here. Some of them are not being used at the moment. But here we go. This is a test. This is a test of the emergency do not touch my crap system. This is only a test. So there we go. The screen works, and that is strictly the sign aspect of the screen. There is so much you can do with screens. Let's see. Let's look at the... You got text, which is a simple line of text. You can do a digital clock showing the time of the day. You can do energy. You can monitor the RF energy level of a machine. You can monitor the RF energy level of a dimension. You can monitor the number of fluids in a tank. You can monitor 4 slots in an inventory. You can show the current value of a counter gate. Now I need to play around with that. You can show yes or no text depending on wireless redstone, machine info, just generic information on certain machines. Now I want to play with that too. A button, so you can send out a wireless redstone signal by actually having a button on the screen, which is kind of cool. Storage, you can access 9 items directly from storage scanner. So yeah, these screens are not just for text. We can do all kinds of amazing things with them, actually. So we might have some fun with that in the future.
You totally missed the chance to say these screens are not just for display.
Okay, so what is that reference from?
No, it's just clever.
Oh. These screens are not just meant for display. I get it. I understand. It went over my head. That happens.
Speaking of screens, did you make your tablet?
I have not made the tablet. I have come to make the tablet. That was next on my to-do list, is the remote storage thing-a-mabob. All right, so we are going to make ourselves a storage module tablet. Because between episodes, Dragon Racer worked towards making the storage module tablet, which we can now take that plus the storage control module, and I believe those can be crafted together, right? Or wait, do I need to... What do I do with a storage control module first? Sneak right click on the storage scanner. Okay.
Yep.
We're going to do that. Tink. Done. All right, so now we
got us linked to that.
Now we place that in that, and then we grab this, and then we right click this, and we have full access. Now, let's see how well that works. Way over here, still have full access. Yay. Now let's go in the mining dimension. Does it work across dimensions?
Yes, it should.
It should. Let's find out if the should is correct. Yes, it does. Yay! Well, I guess I don't need the crafting table on a stick anymore.
Nope.
I now have a storage module.
I know you don't consider this auto-crafting, but to me, this is auto-crafting. It's shift-click crafting.
It's easy. It's easy crafting. It's not auto-crafting. Auto-crafting is where the thing does all the crafting for you. You still have to do the crafting.
Okay, buddy, I tell you what, you go and get your little AE2 system set up, and I will race you to craft something between this and that. And by the time you're done programming your machine, I'll have made it already.
Auto-crafting is not about speed, it's about having it done for you. And in this particular pack, that is very, very useful because of all the gigantic number of steps in crafting.
Yeah, there are... The recipes are going to get insane here.
instead of me taking 30 minutes to craft a single item that then goes into other items, I can tell the system to do it, and it will take maybe an hour to do it. But do I care? No, because I can just walk away, go do something else, and then come back and it's done. That's the point behind autocrafting. It's not the speed, it's the convenience. Now what you're talking about is easy crafting, and yes, I love easy crafting too. I just don't call it auto-crafting.
Alright, and I would make me and Phoenix a set of those, but I need to make more empowered redstonia crystals now. Yay.
Oh, I forgot to show y'all. I need to go downstairs, over to the IC2 room, which is over here. Hey, there's a dragon head on the wall. I can't remember. Where did we get the dragon head from?
I did that.
From the boat in at the end.
Yeah, that was it. I found it in the it was the mast or the head.
I found it on the crate or in a crate, so I just slapped it on the wall.
Right. Yeah, you did all the work for the dragon head, so we'll just say that.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
I'm just picking. That was called Sap Snark, and it's going to leave now. In the metal former, if you take the iron, what are they called? The iron,
Plates.
The iron item casings, and you put them in extrude mode in the metal former, you get iron fences. You take that, put it together with the iron plates, and you get iron scaffolding. The iron scaffolding then gets placed in the world. So we're going to go run up to the world. Hey, look, it's the world. And we're going to place down some iron scaffolding. Let's see. Let's do 5x5 because I can. Wait, what? There. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. Is the IC2 the kind that like places from top to bottom? No, it does not. Well, that's not fair. You know what I probably could do? I could probably grab my wand and maybe some sand. And then go like that. Make this a little bit simpler. Doo-doo. Alright, so we have a 5x5. We have a CF sprayer filled with construction foam. And for every 100 millibuckets of construction foam, you can create reinforced construction foam. She's like that. And wow, it just like, boom, connects to the whole thing. Now, we can sit here and wait for it to dry. I even threatened to make that an entire stream of just waiting for this to dry. Or you can hit it with sand. You hit it with sand, it dries it instantly. Now you'll notice some of it dried pretty quick. Now what we can do is, let's go grab this. I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to, the progress on this is going to take a while because the reinforced stone actually takes a little while to mine, and I'm trying to mine 25 of them at the exact same time. So it's going to take a moment, but once it finishes, with all these purple throwing stars on it.
Bird head.
Boom. We now have 26 reinforced stones on us. So this is a very, very manual process. I think there is a possibility of automating it using different user-based items, but I'm not going to worry about it. You can make so much of it, and it's not really used so often. Because these are the unbreakable ones, Pirate. Whenever you use the ones that are limited, you can pick them back up, but when it's the unbreakable ones, they don't let you pick them back up because you're not really healing anything. Normally it would have like a health bar on it, So you're not really, quote-unquote, healing it by picking them back up, so they just don't get picked up. All right, so we now have the reinforced stone, which is what we need to make a pattern storage. Now, for quite some time, because somebody really wanted to get over into age 7, there's been a recipe sitting over on the dock, which I could have just done this for these crystal memories. All right, and let's see, pattern storage. There we go. We need 2 of them, and there's enough here to make 2 of them. Then all we have to do is let's think. Which one's going to be? Maybe not that one. That's alloys only. This one's currently being, that's what I want to do. Throw those in there, and boom, we have 2. Well, where did one of them go?
Probably all the way through the system to the storage room.
Oh. Well, that would make sense. Let's see. Is it actually in here?
Yep. Second row of the crate.
Yep. There it is. All right. So we take that. We take our reinforced stone. Then we also have to make a modular storage. I wonder if I can make one of those. No idea. Let's find out. Yay, modular storage. Now, normally that would be a pain in the butt because the machine frames are not easy. But we already had some machine frames. Somebody gave me another storage.
Yeah, I was trying to throw it to Phoenix, and I kind of threw it a little short. So that's
there you go, Phoenix. Enjoy.
Now, the only issue we have at the moment is we cannot all use it at the exact same time.
The other issue we have right now is that we need some more advanced circuits, advanced alloys, and energy crystals. Dragon, would you mind making a couple more advanced circuits? Or is that an issue? I'm going to work on these. And Phoenix, if you want to work on them. Or actually, Phoenix, you want to do advanced alloys?
So, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'll do those.
Okay. I'm going to make this. Well, maybe I'm not. Let's try that again. Diamond dust.
What else do we need? Basic circuits?
We need the advanced circuits. Industrial Craft 2 advanced circuits.
I did a whole bunch of coppering cable here, so I'll get on that.
And then where is the... Is it compressor? I'm trying to remember which ones I need to make the crushed diamond with.
Macerator.
Macerator. Yeah. Duh. Where is the there it is. That's why I was confused. Okay. Oh, I suddenly have a bunch of copper cable.
Yeah. What?
Why do these things keep getting dropped to me? Here. There's now copper cable up in that top chest.
Why is there a hopper here?
Because I had placed one there because I was trying to do a whole bunch of stuff one day, and I needed multiple things going in.
Why didn't you just use the pulling upgrade?
Yeah, that's why the chests are there, and then you put a
That's
pulling
in the chest
upgrade
right next to it.
and a exporting upgrade.
Because I know nothing about IC2 and the hopper worked. How about that? Is that a good enough reason?
Yep, that sounds good to me.
Hopper worked. Darn it. Okay. I feel better now. Alright, energy crystals. I need to make 2 of these, so I need to make one more of that. And then I take those, put them in the compressor. which is
How many advanced alloys do you need?
let's see. The mining lasers need a total of 4 each. So that should be it. So at least 8 of them. Compressor, I can never remember what, there it is. Stealing the compressor for a moment to make 2 crystals. 1. Okay, where'd the crystals go?
They got turned back into dust, apparently.
Why?
Because somebody went and put the pulling upgrade in.
You see, this is one of the reasons why I don't like pulling upgrades.
Is that you then?
I didn't put it in there.
Dragon.
Yeah, I didn't see it pull the dust out of there. I don't know why it did it. It shouldn't have.
All right, I now have energy crystals. Yay. Jeez. All right. So, have you made the advanced circuits yet? We need at least 3 of
I'm
them.
working on it. I'm working on plates, iron plates right now for the basic circuits, and then I need to make the advanced circuits.
Okay. Hi, Silky Assassin. How are you doing? Let's see, advanced circuits. Do we still have plenty of the empowered Restonia and
Yeah,
empowered...
there were 7 up in a crate by the Empower, but I made another 7, so even if I run out, we should have plenty.
Okay. Let me go. I can go ahead and go grab those at least so we can use them.
How many do you need?
Oh, I thought there was a crate by the Empower. I swore you just said that, but I may be wrong.
Yeah, it's underneath it.
Oh, yeah, we're out of Palace again. Darn it.
Oh, there. Okay. Well, there's 2 blocks of empowered Palis crystals.
Yeah, I'll need that. And depending on how many advanced circuits you want, because I only have 1 at the moment.
Estonia.
All right, so what is... Oh. Somebody's recipe is weird up here. Okay. Let's see, let's take these out. Grab that. That. There we go. Now we got some Restonia ones being made. Go back to the storage room. I'm going to turn these into these and just throw them in here. There we go. All right, so how are the advanced alloys coming?
I'm working on getting some Payless stuff together.
I have the advanced alloys.
Oh, you have them? Okay. Doop-a-doop-doom.
Tell you what, I'll stick them in the tablet.
That might,
There you
you
go.
know, work. That would be cool.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah, that works. Why is it
Well-
not taking these energy crystals? Take you, but you. Thank you. And now we just need the advanced circuits. total of 3 of them, I believe. Yes. Is there a step I can help you with, Dragon Racer?
Well, we're just waiting on the Empowerer at the moment, so. And it's still working on Redstonia stuff, so I'm kind of wondering if maybe we should pull that.
You can if you want. I was just letting it finish make Redstonia stuff because somehow it got messed up. Where's the actual basic circuits? Do you have those?
In my inventory, yeah, I have 24 of those. I have one advanced on me right now.
All right, and it's actually empowered Redstonia crystals that we're waiting on. Because we have the others.
No, and I forgot the doggone prismarine shards.
All right, do me a favor and put the basics and any empowered stuff you have in the system, please.
Yeah, I dumped them in the tablet, so.
There we go. We have everything we need to make the 3 circuits. We are good. Alright, so I should be able to take this, click here, and go 1, 2. We now have the 2 mining lasers, and then I should be able to do this, and voila. We now have... Is this one of those that I have to do this with? Yes. We now have age 7, the nuclear age. And I am putting the pattern storage in the medium storage crate that is directly next to our tools system. So that way y'all can grab it and do what you need to get your trophies. And that is going to be the final trophy here. Just for lack of, at the moment, I'm going to go ahead and take the last slot, but this will change out for somebody else on this crate when we are done. And then the rest of them will go inside the crate below it. So there we go. We are now at age 7 of 14. We are getting there. It is 14, right? I did count them properly.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez. Yeah. Well, there's 15 of them, but you don't actually get a trophy for Stone Age. So there's 14 trophies.
Where is it in the system?
Yeah, it should be in the system.
Banner.
And then you run it through your own little crafting grid. Alrighty. So, yay. Yeah, pirate. We can look at it as possibly that way, that we're halfway there.
Yeah, we've been playing this pack for what now? A month?
Oh, living on a prayer. Yeah, exactly. Oh wait, I don't need the ender pouch anymore either, do I? I'm gonna keep it just in case. For now, I tend to do that. I'll keep it and then go, wait, I don't need it anymore.
Well, it's good in case power is lost.
Yeah, that too. So I'm just gonna throw all this stuff in there. CF sprayer. All right.
I got something else. Well, you need to upgrade the solar array then, I guess, huh?
Upgrade the solar array? For what? What are you talking about? I mean, yes, we can upgrade this to a tier 2 now because we have one in the solar, but or in the other age or dimension. But what were you about to ask for?
The power cell to kind of help with worrying about power to the storage network now.
Okay, so you're talking about the RF Tools power cells?
Yes, and the actual linking things are a bit more complicated than I thought they would be, but because
Right.
they actually involve making the laser relays.
Let's see, where is that? That is right. I'm trying to remember, what are they called? Are they called power cells?
Yeah, just simple power cells.
Power cell. There we go. So the power cells are easy enough. But yeah, it's the power cell card that's not as easy. It requires a Klein flask, which we have access to. It's the extreme energy laser relay that's a little bit tougher.
Yeah, we actually have enough items to actually make all that, though.
Yeah, we do, actually. So, you know what? Before I go...
I actually have it for the power cells. I have all the stuff over here on the dock because I didn't realize we were going to be this far.
Alright, so over on the dock is the stuff to make the power cells.
Actually, tier 2, because I didn't realize we'd have enough to make the high-end ones.
Okay, so we can make the high-end ones now. So I'm going to ignore that and just do the regular power cells. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Well, is there a reason to do the simple ones versus...
I think you need the simple one to make the high-end one. Is it cheaper to do it this way?
All you need is a machine frame to do the regular ones, which we have. But actually, well, no, because the simple ones need machine frames. So it's actually more expensive to do it that way. Because you need the machine frames plus all the blocks of redstone plus the diamonds plus the quartz to make the simple power cell.
We can't make the advanced one because infused.
I know we can't make the advanced one, but we can make the normal one.
Right.
Which is the one with the prismarine shards. Like, you basically have the stuff here. Just going to change the recipe around a little bit here. There we go. Regular power cells. 2 of them. Alright, and then finally, to make the power cell cards, that is the part that's going to take just an extra moment, but we should have all of the resources to make it. Should, possibly. Just need to make energy laser relays. Let's see, what are we missing? We're missing the advanced coil. Do we have what it takes to make one of those? How come I can't make one of those? I'm confused.
What are you trying to do now?
Coil. We have the coils. Do we have the gold cabling and it's just not showing up?
Yep. Yeah, it should be in the. It should be being scanned by the system somewhere.
It's turning red whenever I'm telling it to craft 1, so something weird is going on.
Yeah, you can't.
Fine, then I will take this.
Here, try it again.
Oh, what did you do?
I dumped the cable into the system because it's over here in the crate, but apparently it's not reading it.
Okay. I swore it was showing up in the system, but that's fine. Whatever. And then we will make one of these. Well, 4 of these. And then we will make one of these. And one of these. And then one of these. Just so people can see that they can be made. And where are you? There you are. Here are 2 power cells and 1 power cell card.
Thank
Hi,
you.
Delcar. All right. Now, do you actually need 2 cards or just 1?
Yeah, you need 1 card per cell. So the 1 cell will be the main, and then the rest will be the slaves.
All right. Well, the other lasers are in the system, so feel free to make the other power cell cards.
No. Now it's showing me red for the extreme laser.
I didn't make all 3 of them. I made the regular energy laser relays. So now you have to make...
they only make 1. Okay, I gotcha.
Yeah, the first recipe makes 4, but then you have to make the rest of them singly. So I made the 1 so I could get it done on camera, so that way you can do as you wish with them from this point on. So enjoy the ability to make power cells as often as you want. Alright, so I believe that is going to be it for this episode. We managed to... I shut off the screen. I was going to do one other thing so we could start heading into the AE system. But I think that is going to wait until next episode. So you saw the screens, you saw the options that we're going to have for them. You saw us make the pattern storage, and you also saw us make some power cells. So we'll be able to get power from place to place. We are now in age 7, the nuclear age, so we can start working towards iridium and all that kind of neat stuff that we need to continue on in the pack. So thanks in advance for the thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment. I've been Saf.
I've been Phoenix.
I'm Dragon.
And you've been patterned.